Remember those moments that we all have when we notice a wet spot on our tire and we think, oh no, a dog has peed on my tire again. Well, it might not be dog pee. Come on, let's go check this out. Hi fellow travelers, short trip today. We're just heading to where we keep our motorhome, Monty, on a friend's farm. We're going to go check out the dog pee on his right front tire. No, I don't think it's dog pee. May need your help on this one. See you there in a few minutes. Hello, Monty. Oh, hi.
Hi, what are you finding?
We found the reservoir for the brake system. Okay, I need to come clean about something. We are here checking on this tire, not because of my critical thinking. I was totally oblivious. I thought this was just a wet spot, probably because of a dog peed on the tire. But in fact, I'm here checking on it because of the inquisitiveness of one of our subscribers who kindly got in touch with us, said he lived 4 hours north of us, was really interested in the Beaver motorhome, and could we meet? So Brian came down, met with us. He gave us tips on the engine, on the transmission, on the braking system, and really importantly, the tire. He just looked at it, put his finger on it, said, yeah, that's gear oil. For me, if I knew that it was oily, I probably would have thought, it's just a dog that drinks a lot of cod liver oil. So, Brian, we're really grateful. Thank you.
Oh, it's not?
Somebody replaced it somewhere along the line, and they did not put a conveyor.
So let's go take a look at this thing. Brian told me what to do. Okay, let's take a look at this little pee mark. Yeah. I don't think that's dog pee. So what I'm going to do is open up the cap and hopefully look in to see if there's a sight line on the reservoir that I understand is behind there. So let's take a look. Now, according to my research, there should be a reservoir in here with maybe half a liter of gear oil. I think that's what this is, not dog pee. Michaela saw this in Mexico. She didn't tell me about it, and I'm too oblivious to notice these things. And she thought at the time that a dog had peed on our tire. And then we drove all the way home from Mexico to here, to Canada. So now that it's still really wet, I think we have a real problem. And I don't know how much is left in this reservoir. I've never done this before. I've never checked this, but I was told there should be a sight glass in here that will show the level of the gear oil. And I'm hoping that it's at a level where I can safely drive this for an hour and a half in a few days to Nanaimo to have it repaired. Let's see what we find, okay? Take this plug out. It should reveal, I should be able to see the level without taking this off. I got the green plug back in. So the oil is down about halfway. I think we're okay to drive the distance that we need to go. And Bob's your uncle, I think we're okay. Bob's your uncle. You have no idea who this Bob guy is, and I have never seen such a fiasco for such a simple task as this hub issue. But stay with this guy, because next week he's going to be driving 2 hours on his own to Nanoose Bay near Nanaimo for a work party on Maudie for about a week. This should be worth a laugh or two. See you next week.